All right, 38 says find the values of the variables in the parallelogram. The diagram is not to scale. So I know if it's a parallelogram, the opposite angles are congruent. So angle Z is going to equal 96. I also know if you have a triangle, all the angles add up to 180. So I know 31 plus 96 plus Y equals 180. If I add 31 and 96, I get 127, so we have 127 plus Y equals 180. We'll subtract 127 from both sides, and you get Y equals 180 minus 127, which is 53. So this part here is going to be 53. Now I know this whole angle and this whole angle have to be the same. So this one's also going to be 53. And X has to be 31. So we have Y equals 53, Z equals 96, and X is going to equal 31. 39 says ABCD is a parallelogram. If the measure of CDA is 57, so this angle here, then the measure of angle BCD equals what? Well, we have these two angles here. Let's call this one X. It's the one we're looking for. And if they're the two next to each other, they should add to 180. So 57 plus X should equal 180. We're going to subtract 57 from both sides. When we do that, we get X equals 180 minus 57, which is 123. And that's your answer. Just subtract it from 180. 123. Number 4 says for the parallelogram, if the measure of angle 2 is 4x minus 20, and the measure of angle 4 is 3x minus 11, find the measure of angle 1. So I know angle 2 and angle 4 are going to be congruent. So we are going to do 3x minus 11 equals 4x minus 20. We will subtract our 3x from both sides, and we get negative 11 equals x minus 20. Then we'll add our 20 to both sides, and we get x equals 9. Now we're really trying to find the measure of angle 1. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and plug 9 into one of my equations. We'll just do 4x minus 20. So we're going to do 4 times 9 minus 20. Which gives me 36 minus 20, which equals 16. So that tells me angle 2 equals 16. Now remember, angle 2 plus angle 1 are next to each other. They should equal 180. So we have 16 plus x equals 180. If we subtract 16 from both sides, we get x equals 180 minus 16, which is 164, and that was the angle we are looking for.